This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We are at the Green Energy Fair in Oslo, and did you know that you can make your existing Tesla even more efficient than before?
Yeah.
Okay, you already know Vanya from EV Clinic. EV Clinic actually teamed up with a quite big company.
Yeah.
So, all right.
It's pretty big news. From today we announced that we are starting collaboration with SKF. We'll try to improve repairability of e-drives on electric vehicles and improve efficiency on the EVs. Because SKF has one of the big top secret projects, how it is possible to decrease the friction of the ball bearings inside any type of e-drives.
Yeah, exactly. And perhaps we can show first what we offer here in our aftermarket portfolio. This is quite new, so you see a complete repair kit. In this case it's for Tesla 3 small drive unit, so it contains of 8 different bearings. You also have here these very small one bearings, it's a sacrifice bearing, and of course also the complete seal kit is available for this drive unit, so that you can perform a complete reman process with this kit on the drive units. So we offer it, of course, for several different cars and drive units, and together with EV Clinic, we teamed up to extend our product portfolio, of course.
And to accelerate product portfolio, because the number of EVs out of warranty are exponentially growing on the market, and we need solutions very fast, and that's why we teamed up with the SKF. Then let's show the public how did you increase the efficiency of the ball bearings.
Yes, there are different possibilities to increase the efficiency of a bearing. Normally you can say the most efficient is the usage of special grease or special friction reduced seals. But when we speak about bearings inside of a drive unit, then you don't have often seals or grease inside. But anyhow, we can use special coatings or special rollers to make the bearing more efficient and reduce the friction on these bearings. Here, for example, we see a bearing which contains ceramic bearings, ball bearings inside, rollers inside. The ceramic material itself leads already to a friction reduction by 10%, more or less. And on the other side, if we have a complete steel bearing, like in the Tesla Model 3 kit here, then we can use this tribological black coating on it. This reduces also, or it makes exactly the same like the ceramic balls inside. It will also reduce the friction of a normal steel bearing by about 10%. In addition, it also helps to prevent from rust. So if you have to dismount this bearing again, then it's much more easier than you just use a normal kind of steel bearing.
Is it possible to rotate it, or how does it?
Yeah, it rotates, yeah.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So if you reduce the friction on the 8 bearings inside the drive unit, you will get some efficiency and reduce the consumption and increase the range. So step by step increasing efficiency of each component, you will get some results. And this is a really important stuff, and this is the most juicy part of SKF, which invented lately. Yeah.
This is better than Tesla's.
Yeah, it is. In this form, with this coating, it is better because it protects the bearing even from rotor discharge, arcs and everything else. So it will not just improve efficiency, it will extend the life. I don't know by how much, but it will be probably by factor 2.
Here we have another innovation, we can tell it, because this is here, first of all, a quite big bearing. It's used for several racing applications, but really the nice topic is here that the outer ring of this bearing is 3D printed. You can see it here because of this rough surface. This is still the original outcome of this outer ring. And then, of course, afterwards it's completely machined so that it's completely flat and fits perfectly in the housing of the wheel bearing. But why do we do this? So we can, with 3D printing, we can of course apply the material exactly there where we need it, and from the structural perspective, it's not needed that you have a big outer ring everywhere. So we can really reduce the weight by spare out specific parts out of this outer ring. And that's why we tested it, and it was really successful tested, and we will continue with this kind of production because it brings an immense benefit when it comes to weight on these big bearings. We start this cooperation because we see from SKF, of course, the need for more knowledge transfer to our customers so that they are able to repair also these drive units that we say they come more and more, of course, in the markets. And on the other side, you need also a strong supplier to be able to deliver all these products to your customers.
Yes, because more and more we are receiving different type of defects on EVs, on hybrids, that we will need accelerated support from big players. Alone, third parties are not able to accelerate so fast to give the support to the EV community, because we need suppliers, we need technical solutions, we need someone who is already in automotive business. Because what we have calculated that at the beginning of 2027 there will be so much EVs out of warranty, and there will be huge problem to support all of them, because let's say that one ordinary EV clinic workshop can do heavy jobs, at least 1,000 vehicles per year, just for one workshop. And if we calculate how many EVs will be out of the warranty, we will need 15,000 specialized workshops just to deliver to the basic demand of servicing those EVs. That's why this is maybe a small step, but it is extremely important to jointly collaborate with big companies like SKF to get faster supply, maybe faster production of some spare parts, and collaboration on technical level to exchange what is in defect, what fails so frequently, what we need the mostly inside the workshop, from the tooling, from the spare parts. And this is beginning of something really big, and we hope we will succeed in our mission.
And together our mission is to provide a complete repair solution.
Yeah,
for
from
our
the
customers,
repair kits and the toolings.
Correct.